we need community banking out there to reach small business and have credit access. And I know this is controversial for some who believe that the CFPB is like, biblically important. But the 1071 rule is probably the most commented on thing I get when I travel the country with small business owners and small business lenders. The 1071 rule takes the Home Mortgage Disclosure Act on anti-discrimination data collecting and imposes that on small business lending. And so if you're if you're not involved in finance, what's wrong with that? We don't want discrimination in small business lending. Yeah, well, that's right, we don't. And by the way, it's illegal. It's illegal to do that. But a 1 to 4 family home mortgage covered by the Home Mortgage Disclosure Act is the most simple, straightforward, homogeneous product in finance. It is what you would say a cookie cutter product. So to compare two borrowers to make sure they were treated fairly and equally is a pretty straightforward task. There is nothing more heterogeneous, different, confusing, and every one of them as unique as a small business loan. So I view this as a way to punish the banking system. It's going to get people will leave the small business lending space. Borrowers will come in and not tell the truth. They'll say, well, it's a real estate loan. So it won't be coded a small business loan. It's just going to create a terrible dislocation. And what's the end result? People who will borrow online from some non-depository institution. And once again, government regulations have forced good, profitable, community, family-oriented, local businesses away from their community bank.